Not only do you come from my kind, so too do you fail to recognize your own transgression. I will not stand for such impertinence!
This moment will be frozen in time. Cool it!
Sign here, please!
Bombs away! Water jet! Yeah! I taste blood. Get back!
Please, calm.
It's just like he said. An outside wolf pack coming in and breaking the rules. They will reap what they have but Razor, you must not get involved. This is for the wolves to settle between. You fight not with claws, but with the sword. You strike not with teeth, but with lightning. You are human, Razor.
I am not like them. I don't belong.
You are no wolf. This is a matter for the wolves, and the wolves alone. And you are Razor's Lupercal amongst humans. Your nobility stands out against others of your... If you ever wish, you may train with me. I have nothing further to say. May we meet again, Razor and company.
Hey, Razor, what's that look for? Why don't you come to the city for a few days?
Yeah, you have a friend in Mondstadt anyway, right? You know, that red Bernie friend of yours?
You're not safe in the wild anymore, but I know that you don't want to hurt them.
I'm fine. Don't worry. But I'm not city human. But also not wolf. Thank you, traveler. Paimon and other red girl.
Hey, we've been with you all this time, and you still don't even know.
Goodbye.